making this video. I just got this power washer. It's called Powermate. It's made by Coleman. It's a 2500 psi power washer, and it's got the Honda motor, the 5.5 with the GX 160. And yeah, so I just got this and it's used. It wasn't running, so I just now got it running. I I had to take the carburetor apart and this little motor is real easy to work on. If you have to take the carburetor apart, all you do is you take this little air cleaning cover off, and then underneath it is the air cleaner, and then you just remove the air cleaner, and then on top of there's like a 10mm bolt that you have to take out, and then all you do is loosen off these two nuts and take them all the way off, and then the whole carburetor slides off. Real easy to work on. And also, if you are not getting fuel, if you see this little bowl right here, this is actually the fuel shutoff valve right here, and this is your choke. So if you're not getting fuel, you can always take off this bowl just to double check it and to make sure that the valve is not clogged up. So this thing wasn't running when I got it, so I removed the carburetor and I cleaned it all out. And then this right here is the float bowl, the bottom of the carburetor. This bolt right here will remove the whole carburetor bowl, and it will just drop down like this. Real easy to get to the float, because once you drop this bowl, the little pin on the float is like right there, and you can just remove it and drop the float. Yeah, the way they designed this carburetor is to make it really easy to do the maintenance work on it. If you ever, leave fuel in it, and then the fuel sits there in a long time, and carbons up all the carburetor where it gets stopped up. Makes it real easy to work on. And then this right here is the little drain. If you need to drain out the bowl, if you have any debris or trash inside the bowl, makes it real easy. You just remove this bolt, and you can drain it. If you remove this bolt, this takes off the whole bowl, and it just drops down. That way you can get to your float. Well, I don't know really what else to say. I'm really glad that I got it running. This was given to me. So the person that owned it, they didn't use it anymore, and they bought them electric pressure washer. And so it was just sitting in their garage, and they didn't want it anymore. So he asked me if I wanted it, and I was like, sure, I'll take it. This is my brand new one right here. This is my brand new power washer right here. But I'll make another video on this one later. But I'm making the video on this one because I was really happy that I got it running. And yeah, so there it is. It's called the Coleman Powermate, and clean machine. And it's got the variable speed control right here. Like on my newer one, I don't have this. I don't have like a throttle control on my new one. But yeah, I thought this was pretty cool. And as you see, it's got all the different adapters. It's got the low pressure, the pencil spray, the narrow spray, and the wide spray. Yeah, so all these seem like they're still okay. And yeah, I mean, for free, I couldn't I couldn't argue with it. And got the spraying gun right here. That's the spraying gun right there. And right here, right there, snap in your little adapters. And right here, this is where you put your water hose, and this fitting right here is where you connect your pressure gun. That's where you, and then here's the hose right here for that. There's one hand right here. Wow. Yeah, so there it is. The Honda 5.5 GX 160. Yeah, it runs great now since I cleaned out the carburetor. So if you have one of these old pressure washers and it's just sitting around and you think it might not run, you know, check and make sure it's firing. And if you're getting fire, then you know it's just the carburetor needs to be cleaned out. And like I said, make sure you put new gas in it. Right here is the fuel shut off. Take that little bow off. Make sure you're getting fuel through there. And also, if it's been setting a long time, just make sure you take this bow off the carburetor. Make sure you take this bow off the carburetor. Clean out the whole carburetor, blow it out. And honestly, you really don't have to take the whole carburetor off. You can just, like I said, it's real easy to maintenance, and you could just leave the carburetor on there and you can do everything while it's still bolted up. Yeah, so there it is. Alright folks, I want to thank y'all for watching, and if you have any questions about it, leave a comment. I don't know too much about it now, but I did get it running, and I'll do my best to try to answer some of your questions. Thank you for watching my video. There it is. I'm gonna start it one more time for y'all. Let's make sure it's gonna run. Oh yeah, and then also right here's the on and off switch on the side. So make sure it's on. So it is on. Come over here. I hope it cranks just with one pull. That's what I'm hoping. Okay, well, there it is, folks. Like and subscribe, and thank you for watching my video, and I will see you in the next one. Goodbye now.